Good day everyone, I'm Marl Angelo B. Monteroso, Group 7 of Arts and Creative Literacy. And my topic is all about verbal creativity to aesthetic. So verbal creativity is the ability to use words creatively to express thoughts, emotions, and ideas in art literature. So verbal creativity to aesthetic is it is the ability to use words in a creative and artistic way to express ideas, feelings, or image beautifully. It focuses on how language can sound pleasant, meaningful, and imaginative when spoken or written. So, in arts and creative literacy, verbal creativity to aesthetic is the ability to use words imaginatively to create beauty and artistic expression in stories, poems, descriptions, and spoken language. It helps readers or listeners feel emotions and imagine scenes clearly. So, yun lang po ma'am. Thank you.